Hello my dear students and friends. Today we are going to summarize lesson number 6, announcements from Balbharati textbook, standard 5th. The lesson announcement tells us that an announcement is used to communicate with students in school or people in general. Announcements are made to give information or a message about something. Announcements can be in the written or the oral form. In the written form, a notice is put up in class or on the notice board of the school. Announcements to indicate different timings and days are put up in the written format, as it is likely that one may forget the timings or days. On the other hand, short messages without date and time can be announced orally. While announcements are being made, one should pay attention to it so that doubts can be cleared right away. Let's prepare few announcements. The first announcement is about the wet floor. The title should be "Beware, the floor here is wet." A pipeline in the boys' washroom on the second floor is broken. There is water seepage from the walls and the staircase. The floor is wet and slippery. Students using the passages should be cautious. They are warned not to run, for they might slip and get injured. By Supervisor XYZ. The second announcement sample is about a medical camp. First, you have to write the date on the right hand side. For example, 1st September 2015. The school has organized a medical checkup program for classes 5th, 6th and 7th from 13th September 2015 to 16th September 2015. Try not to remain absent on these days. Principal XYZ. The third announcement sample is about Ganesh Chaturthi celebration. All the members of the society are hereby informed that the Ganesh pandals will be set with other decorations in the society compound. Members are requested to contribute as much as they can and hand over the amount to the secretary by tomorrow. Joint Secretary XYZ. The fourth announcement sample will be about a laughter club. Laughter Club has started a laughter session in Tilak Garden every morning at 7 am. All those who are interested in cheering up their busy life, kindly register your names with Mr. Pawar, the organizer, by Secretary XYZ. The next sample would be about the return of library books. It has been noticed that library books are not returned on time. Many of the books returned are not in proper condition. Strict action will be taken if there is a delay in returning the books. A fine will also be charged for the unkept books by Librarian XYZ. So these are some of the examples of announcements. So these announcements you can use to prepare your own topic. Thank you for watching the video. Hope this video will help you.